This is Jen Judkins with Teaching Forward. In this tutorial video, we're going to take a look at how to organize content in Google Drive. First, we'll explore how to create folders and how to edit them so that you can color code them or even add icons to make them easy to identify. Finally, we'll look at how to move files into folders and how to share folders so that the contents within the folders are accessible to all of the people who are shared on the folder. Let's take a look. To get organized, you may want to create folders. The fastest way to do this is to click on plus new, folder. Name your folder and choose create. Folders will appear in alphabetical order at the top of your Google Drive. If you want, you can change the way folders and files appear in your Google Drive by hovering over into the right-hand corner at the top and clicking name and changing to look at files or folders organized by when they were last modified. This arrow will switch the direction of the sort. To add files into a folder, you can drag the files to drop them, or you can go into the folder by double-clicking it and choosing plus new to add content, whether by uploading or adding files directly. You may want to rename your folder or color code the folder icon to make it easier to find. To do this, right-click on the folder and choose Rename to change the name, or hover over Change Color to pick a color for your folder. One interesting thing you can do as part of renaming your folder is that you can add emojis so that you can see things about your folder very quickly. So for example, I could add a symbol that would help me to identify this folder quickly. So to do that, I can go to a website like this one, emojicopy.com, and I can search for a word that will help me identify my file folder and click on an icon. Then I'm able to choose copy, go back to my Google Drive, and simply paste that icon. Now I have a color-coded folder as well as one with an icon. To move contents into a folder, in addition to dragging, you can also create shortcuts to items that may exist in other folders. So for example, if I have a file in this folder that I want to put in another folder so that it's located in two places, I can right-click on the file and choose Add Shortcut to Drive. Adding Shortcut to Drive allows me to move a file into a location other than the one it's in without losing the original location. So I double-click to navigate through where I want it. And when I'm in that folder, I choose Add Shortcut. A shortcut means that it is linking back to the original copy of the file. This means that any changes to the original file in its original location or this location will be reflected in all of the places that that file exists. You'll also notice Add Shortcut is a choice for all files that are shared with you if you are organizing them into folders. For more information about this, check out the video we have called Organizing Shared With Me Files. So if I choose Add Shortcut, and then I go back to the folder, you'll notice that that is in the folder but with an interesting symbol because that little arrow is indicating that it's a shortcut back to the original location of the file. Just like other files in Google Drive, folders can be shared. To determine if a folder is currently shared, you can see that the folder image, instead of being solid, has a person on top. If you're wondering who a folder is shared with, simply click on it one time to select it, choose the Details icon in the top right, and a sidebar menu will pop open, which will show you who is shared on the file. If you want to share a folder that is not currently shared, simply right-click on it and choose Share. Remember that editors of folders have the ability to add and move contents in the folder, while viewers can only see the information. As you add information to a folder, it will be available to your collaborators. They won't get notifications when you add new content. However, when they visit the folder next, they'll be able to see that it's been updated with new files. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check us out online at teachingforward.net.